All right, so I have showed you how to get into Autodesk Sketchbook. Yes, last week we did paper 53, so you have that selfie image. We're going to pull that up, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you have a top row here. If you do not have a new page on your screen, you need to go up to the three dots and three lines, hit New Sketch. I think I want to do, we'll keep it. Do New Sketch, Create, and then you can either discard or save your previous image. I'm going to go up here to the top, and I'm going to go to this little guy right here that it looks like a mountain and a plus sign. Okay, so you're going to click that, and you have all your photos here. I'm going to pick the selfie that I like, and I'm going to hit done. I can take my two fingers, spread them wide, and squeeze them together, pinch them together, or I can put them in the middle and, ooh, that's a really big misfeature. Okay, so now what I want to do, to be able to write on this layer, I need to make a new layer. This is new layer. I'm going to hit the plus sign, and do you see how there is a blue box around that new layer? That means that I'm all ready to write on top. Okay? So I can undo here, undo, undo. Now, the fun part of this sketchbook is there's so many colors that you can use. Let's say I want some purple. That's my favorite color. So I can take this one now and I can go to a light purple or a dark purple. And I can even save this for later because it's my favorite by clicking on it and dragging that little square down to my color palette. I can also roll up and down. It's limited, but you can always replace things. So I'm going to click off the box to start writing on myself. Okay? So I can do whatever I want. If I want to maybe write my name, I could write my name. I could change colors, and I could change paintbrushes. I'm going to see what that guy does. That says Copic Super Brush. Let's see what he does. And remember, anytime you don't like something, you undo it. Okay? So maybe we're going to give Miss Peacher a new hairdo, and we're going to put streaks of colors. Let's find a marker. We're going to put streaks of colors in her beautiful hair. Okay, those are interesting. I'm going to undo those. I'm going to pick a regular brush, and we got to get those purple streaks in. Let's do that, and let's see what happens. Oh, yes. So now Miss Peacher has purple hair, which I've always wanted to do. Okay. Now I can go up. Maybe we'll give Miss Peacher some purple eyeshadow. I don't really like that brush. So let's go back out to another paintbrush. And you just have to kind of figure, oh my, oh, I like it. Let's go over, we'll undo. Let's squeeze back down. Oh yes, that looks amazing. Look at that makeup, it's beautiful. So that's a paintbrush. I can scroll down if I want to get, let's maybe make my eyeliner a little, oh yes, my eyeliner is a little darker. That's beautiful. But I need to put back in my black eyelashes. I know you're all laughing at this point. Here's another thing you can do. Click on that pen that you're using, and you can move the size button up and down, and you can draw thin lines or thick lines. All right, so there's Miss Peacher. Isn't she pretty? I think she needs some lipstick. Let's do this brush. Let's give her some bright red lipstick. And the first thing you want to do is, wrong brush. Let's undo. Let's try that brush. See how it has a thinner tip? We want to nope, that's not going to work either. Let's go back to that nib, the silver one. Let's outline her lips first. Now watch this. I can go up to this bucket right here and I can fill, undo. I can fill, no, it's not letting me do it. Undo. Let's go ahead and undo. Let's try it again. Nope. It usually works. Maybe if I'm down like this. Let's try it again. Let's do, there we go. So my tolerance level is down so that it only gets this little bit. And I keep kind of tapping. There we go. Now let's say up, undo, undo. Okay. Click off of the can to get rid of that. Let's say I needed to erase. Oh my, she's looking so good. Let's scroll back down here and I'll show you the erasers. You've got a soft eraser. Click on it and it says soft eraser. You can make it big or little. Let's say I did not like, that didn't work. Undo. Let's go to the hard eraser. Let's say, well, that's weird. Oh, you know what? I know why. I'm not on another layer. All right, undo that guy. I'll show you. Click on this layer. Maybe I didn't click on it. Maybe you guys did. Let's say that I added, let's give her a nose ring. I'm going to give her a big nose ring. I'm on this layer. Oh, bummer. Why is it not working? There's my nose ring. All right, undo. Nose ring. I don't like it. I can't erase it. That is so weird. All right, Miss Peacher's going to work on that one, okay? So undo, undo, undo. All right, you get to decorate your guy any way you want to, okay? If you want to add another layer and maybe add some shapes onto your layer, you can do that. Oh, I didn't do it. That's only letting me do it. Oh, I know why. Because I'm on my eraser. See, we're all learning together. Everything is new for me too sometimes. So let's try that layer again. And there, I can make some circles. Maybe I could go out here to this bucket and fill them in. That's kind of cool. See how I just click on that? Because I've got a low tolerance. Let's try that again. So I'm on my new layer. I click my shape button. And then I click my... Now you see how behind... You see how behind my picture is not showing up? So it's only showing up here. So if I want a full circle, come out there, click on my button, my bucket, and fill it. So you decorate your background any way you want to. You decorate person any way you want to. Take a screenshot and submit it to your journal on Seesaw.